comprehension of the poem. How far we understood what is given over here and how best we can answer and what many questions we can put over there. Here behind the book we have only hardly 2 questions which we can answer, and those 2 I have put over here. But after reading this poem, what questions we can make? Let us just understand that. And whenever we are reading the book, poem, story, any prose piece, anything, we have to question how far we understood. Then our understanding levels will increase. So now, a player is one who doesn't give up at sight of defeat. So, what is the quality of a player? First and foremost quality of the player. There are many qualities of the player, but which one we consider the first or the best? The best one is he should not hesitate by the anticipation of defeat. If at all he anticipates defeat, he cannot play at all, he cannot think about playing. So the first and foremost quality of a player is not to fear at the word defeat. Because if at all the word defeat comes into his mind, he can never succeed, he can never go ahead. That is the first quality. And now, according to the poet, what is the second quality of the player? Now, if you see, it is, but learns from their mistakes and puts them beneath. This is second quality. The person, one who can learn from the defeats and he puts them down. That means he stamps over that. He runs over that. What? The defeat. That is the second most quality of the player according to the poet. Now, a player is one who doesn't give up at the sound of the baja, always giving what they have from one side of the court to the other. And how a player should engage himself in the play, or what should be the thought process of the player. He should not think, he should not give up at the buzzer. What is this buzzer? At the alarm. Means he should not take something surprising. Oh, this has come, how to face it? That is alarm. He should be ready. Yes, this may be the ball. I'll have to attend to it. Simply I'll have to cut it and let us see to it that ball goes into that court. That is the third thing which a player should calculate and have within himself. And likewise, if you see, all the stanzas somewhere or other, certain qualities of the player have been addressed throughout the poem and in each and every stanza. So these are all to be put together as the answer for our first one. What is that one? What are the qualities of a true player? Then how to start it? Suppose you are writing the answer, how to start it? Once again, what I would like to say is, let us forget what. From here we have to start. The qualities of a true player, then this R will come over there. So, how this sentence stands now? How shall we start our answer now? You see, I said the answer. What is that one? The qualities of a true player. Then we have to supply the answer from the poem. Why I say this? There should be always a linking between the question and the answer. If not, the answer appears to be having no link, having no address, nothing. The qualities, the true qualities of a player are. That way we start and we give 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. What is that one? never think about the defeat. Number one. Number two, and he should consider the defeat as the first step for the success. Two things. And next, a player who does not give up, and he should not lose his courage at the alarming sound. And he should pass on the buck to the other's court. These are the qualities of a player. Are these enough? Yes, for our answer, enough, because there are only 2 marks. Any 3 to 4 qualities, if we write it in the answer, that is enough, because the whole poem talks many qualities of the poem. And next, an extract will be given from the same poem, and from that again small questions will be put. 3, where the answer is closed up, and 2, where the answer is not closed up, open. That way 5 questions will be set. And let us take the third stanza for our this exercise. A player is one who doesn't settle for anything less, even knowing that they are not the best. They will be the ones you see outside practicing day or night, rain or shine. They are the ones running on hurt ankles, admitting they are fine. These are the 5 lines given, and on that what kind of questions may come. We will see that, but here one more question is there. What, according to the poet, is unacceptable crime of a player? We have to address this. According to the poet, what according to, let us leave this what. From here we are starting. According to the poet, and your answer you have to insert here, then is unacceptable crime of a player, that way you have to end. Earlier, this first one we have written here, and all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 qualities of the player we have written for the answer. Now this question, it has a peculiarity here, a difference here. What is that one? We are leaving this part. What? Now we are starting with according to. According to the poet, that phrase we have taken. Thereafter what we are putting? To whine about the time, to complain about the time. Whine means complain. To complain about the time is the crime, is unacceptable crime of a player. That way we have to write. That means 3/4 of the answer we have taken from the question itself, and only 1/4 we are putting. What is one? Unpardonable or unacceptable crime of a player is what? Is to complain about the time of the play. About the time of the play or game. 6 words we are putting in, and remaining according to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 words we are taking from the question. That is called comprehension. Means what you understood, how much you are supplying as the answer here, and how we are serving it. Why I said serving it is, for the examiner, you have to show the answer, the connectivity between the question and the answer. And if at all you put only thing, to complain against the time of the play, you have written the same answer, to complain against the time of the play. We have put all the 7 words. These 7 words, this answer, does it get a full marks? No, definitely no. Because there is no connectivity. Why you are telling it? What for? You need marks. You want to show this is the answer for this. So the linkage should be there between the question and the answer.